Big ups, it's your girl Queen Curvy 614, and we are back with another unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I can't wait to see what they put in this box. There we go. There we go. Let's see what's in it. See what we got, y'all. Got my new wardrobe. A crop top. Show y'all, this is a 2X. This particular shirt, I probably wouldn't wear a spank. I'd probably just put on some jeans or something. I know your shoes ain't on my carpet. I just got these carpet. What? You gonna pay for the carpet to get cleaned next? Okay. Mommy duties, y'all know how know how that can go real quick. But this is the shirt. It's really cute too. Okay. You know, got that part showing and stuff, and it's cute.
It should cost $1 billion to look this good.
Oh yeah.
But she make it.
Hey, this is cute. Cute. Very. I can take off the tie. This is mine anyway. We ain't gonna talk about what just happened. So this is a whole comfortable get up. I don't know who needs to hear this. Stop making buckles in the outside of the shoe. Put them in the inside. It is hard to buckle these shoes, okay? The dress is giving. I love it. I love this dress. Okay, maybe a little bit tighter, you know, for this thin body. But this right here is cute. I'm actually in love with it. Let's hit it with the blue one is the same. And I did not show y'all these adjustable straps. I look so innocent. I would like to thank my fans for believing in me and sharing my content, watching my live videos, and let's do it. This is really giving out beach outfit. Wear this with a jacket. Okay, you guys, so we are officially done. You guys let me know in the comment section what y'all want to see next. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment if you want to see more. Thank you. Bye.